They just mad cause my truck hard. Man, y'all play on me, man. Yo.
And my truck hard. And I keep going your harder. I swerve on the shade, my truck looking mean. And yeah, I don't go for with all the D haters. Man.
They mad?
They watching me doing my dance. Bands.
What's up, everybody? What I got right here is my new Duramax. Got myself an LLY. This one's the 4.5, 39.5 on some old Cheyennes. Full straight pipe, 4-inch. Lift from full throttle suspension, running Fox shocks. Let's go. That's how you deal with the mosquitoes around here. Well, I mean, my way of doing it, I guess. But anyways, doesn't really have much work done to it. No aftermarket turbos. It's just that stock Garrett that's in there. What else? Allegedly, this has oversized injectors, probably just 30s or something. And I'm running PPE Tunes. Okay, so I was a little wrong. It's the Xcelerator by PPE. When I bought this, I was told that she was set on max, which was, and if you guys are wondering, this is what it looks like. Where are we at here? Level 6, the 300 increase, 460 torque increase. I don't know if those are actual numbers or not, but I mean, it's the first Duramax that I've owned, so I can't tell. Also, for anyone wanting to know what super swampers sound like, going down the road, here's what it sounds like. I just forgot to add that to the video. I figured someone would kind of like to know that, how that sounds. I know I've always wondered. I knew it'd be loud, but I didn't really know how loud exactly.